The Grumman F8F Bearcat, the ultimate piston engine fighter. In this video, we will delve into the history and specifications of the Grumman F8F Bearcat, an aircraft that represented the pinnacle of piston engine fighter design. The Bearcat was designed for speed, agility, and performance, making it one of the fastest and most capable fighters of its time. We will explore its design origins, production history, first flight, intended purpose, and technical specifications. 1. Designed and built by Grumman Aircraft Engineering Corporation. The Grumman F8F Bearcat was designed and built by the Grumman Aircraft Engineering Corporation, a leading American aircraft manufacturer renowned for its rugged and reliable military aircraft. The design of the Bearcat was led by Grumman's chief engineer, Leroy Grumman, with the goal of creating a lightweight, high-performance fighter that could dominate the skies in the closing years of World War II. 2. Production history, built during 1945 to 1949. The production of the F8F Bearcat began in 1945 and continued until 1949. Although the aircraft was designed during World War II, it saw limited combat due to the war's end shortly after its introduction. A total of 1,265 Bearcats were built, with the aircraft serving primarily with the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps. The Bearcat's production run was relatively short, but its impact on post-war naval aviation was significant. 3. First flight, August 21, 1944. The Grumman F8F Bearcat took to the skies for the first time on August 21, 1944. The first flight demonstrated the aircraft's impressive speed and agility, confirming that the Bearcat was one of the fastest piston engine fighters ever built. Its performance exceeded expectations, and it quickly became a favorite among test pilots. 4. Purpose, designed as a carrier-based interceptor. The sole purpose of the F8F Bearcat was to serve as a carrier-based interceptor. It was specifically designed to take off and land on aircraft carriers, providing the U.S. Navy with a fast and maneuverable fighter capable of intercepting and destroying enemy aircraft, particularly bombers. The Bearcat's lightweight design allowed for exceptional climb rates and acceleration, making it ideal for quick response missions. 5. Country of origin, United States. The F8F Bearcat was designed, built, and primarily based in the United States. It was developed for the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps, and most of its operational history took place aboard American aircraft carriers. Although it arrived too late to see significant action in World War II, the Bearcat was a key part of the U.S. Navy's post-war air strategy. 6. Production in other countries, limited export. While the Grumman F8F Bearcat was primarily produced in the United States, it was also exported to several other countries. Notably, the Bearcat was used by the air forces of France, Thailand, and Vietnam. In these countries, the Bearcat served in various roles, including as a fighter and ground attack aircraft. However, production was not carried out outside of the United States. Exported aircraft were built in American factories. 7. Technical specifications, power, speed, and performance. The Grumman F8F Bearcat was powered by a Pratt & Amp Whitney R2800 to 34 watts double wasp radial engine, capable of producing 2,250 horsepower. This powerful engine propelled the Bearcat to a maximum speed of 421 miles per hour, 678 kilometers per hour, at 20,000 feet, 6,096 meters, making it one of the fastest piston engine fighters ever built. The aircraft had an impressive rate of climb, reaching 4,500 feet per minute, 1,372 meters per minute, and a service ceiling of 38,700 feet, 11,796 meters. The Bearcat was armed with 4.50 caliber M2 Browning machine guns, which provided formidable firepower for its intended role as an interceptor. The aircraft could also carry up to 1,000 pounds, 454 kilograms, of bombs or rockets for ground attack missions. Its lightweight design, combined with its powerful engine, gave the Bearcat excellent handling characteristics, making it a favorite among pilots. Conclusion. The Grumman F8F Bearcat represents the zenith of piston engine fighter design, combining speed, agility, and firepower in a compact and rugged package. Although it arrived too late to see extensive combat during World War II, the Bearcat left a lasting legacy as one of the finest aircraft of its era. Its influence on post-war naval aviation and its continued use by several air forces around the world underscore its significance in military aviation history. This concludes our comprehensive look at the Grumman F8F Bearcat. Stay tuned for more detailed documentaries on the aircraft that shaped history. Although it arrived too late to see extensive combat during World War II, the Bearcat left a lasting legacy as one of the finest aircraft of its era. Its influence on post-war naval aviation and its continued use by several air forces around the world underscore its significance in military aviation history. This concludes our comprehensive look at the Grumman F8F Bearcat. Stay tuned for more detailed documentaries on the aircraft that shaped history.